I'm now joined by Vinny Tarbox, and your sales manager for MTD. And we're here at BTME, and you've been here for a few years now, and this Infinicut machine has been around in the market for a little while, but seems to have really kind of caught fire in the last year or two.
Yeah, well, it's really taken off in the last couple of years with the development of the wider machines and us moving into sports turf as well as golf. So cricket, football, rugby, bowls, all other sports. It's really seen an increase in our market and also in the take-up of the machines.
So from where I stand, as a layman if you like, it seems like it would be quite an environmentally friendly product because it's battery powered, but you're not selling on that principally, you're selling on quality of cut, I think, is that right?
Yeah, no, that's correct. We start everything basically at the front of the machine, from our demonstrations right the way through to our sales. We start on the quality of cut of the machine, it doing its job in the way it should do. Then all the environmental things, so the low noise, the low vibration, the battery power savings and everything else feeds in from that. But that's not the main purpose of the machine. That's a great add-on to have. It has to do its job first and foremost, which is cut the grass as good as it can and with the greatest quality.
Now, I know there's a fair amount of versatility with some cassettes that you've got on there. What's in the range?
We have a full range of cassettes within the TM system, as we call it. So everything from scarifiers through to verti-cutters, ultra groomer cassettes, saddle rollers, basically everything you need to control your turf and have a full system there that is just a cassette swap away from your power unit or your triple or light fairway mower as well.
One of the increasing problems that greenkeepers and groundsmen in general are facing is reduction in the tools in their armoury, particularly on the chemical front, to look after and maintain the quality of the turf. Do you see that a mechanical process could become more and more important?
Yeah, I think that's a really interesting approach. I mean, anyone that knows me will know I'm very definitely not a greenkeeper, not a groundsman, but I can see and the technical staff in our company can see the benefits of mechanical use and that machinery can make, in reducing thatch and other bits and pieces to allow you to have a healthier plant, right down to a great quality of cut and everything else, which then hopefully and should help with a reduction in chemicals and also give the greenkeeper or groundsman more versatility in his application and what he's doing.
So get it right from the start, less intervention would be kind of the message there, yeah?
Yeah, hopefully, and it's obviously measurement and careful measurement. You can't these days reach for a bottle of something when it goes wrong. You have to have a much more clearer approach and scientific approach. Your machinery and your chemicals are all part of that whole process.
Over the last year or two, the company's undergone a massive change. You've got involved with Cub Cadet, and I think that's been seen that you've now got massive investment because there's a lot going into a new factory.
Yeah, we've seen a big step in the past year. Obviously, we've changed quite a lot as a company, but we've just had some investment, partly due to our phenomenal success in the industry, but also due to our new structure as a company. We're building a new factory and installing that now that's nearly 4 times the capacity of what we've had before. So it's a serious step forward for us in production techniques and everything else, not only to carry on where we've been, but also to keep producing and add new things as we move along into the future with the Infinicut and the TM system brands.
I think the business and the people behind Infinicut are known as being innovative and a great solid design outfit, produce quality products. The new factory, is it going to still keep that kind of ethos?
Yes, very much so. We're very much a design-led and almost a customer-led organisation. We go out to assist the customer and find out what their problems are and then solve them. That's the way the company's always worked, and that's the way we'll continue to work now. We're only doing as well as we are through great design and great feedback from our customers that helps us develop the machines and the machinery.
And Vinny, with that expansion of the factory, is that just to meet demand, or is there expansion in product ranges and new markets?
A bit of both. It's very much to meet the demand and become a lot slicker at what we do because we've done so well. But also, as with any company, you don't ever want to stand still. You've always got to be moving forward. So we're looking at some options and bits and pieces for some slightly different cassettes and updates, and there'll be some things coming along in the future.
Now, you've got your kit in some very high-profile venues around the world, and especially around Europe. Is it a piece of kit that's really aimed at the premium end of the market?
It has been traditionally, because it's got certain refinements that make it very accurate and it's very precise. And to be totally honest, with a lithium battery, it can add to some of the cost of the initial outlay. Although over the life of the machine, the battery pricing against petrol usage very much evens itself up. But we've built ourselves and our reputation on our quality of cut and what our machine can do. So the fact that we're lucky to be involved with all these premium clubs is a good sign that we're doing things right, but also that we can move forward and offer solutions, for anyone in the industry.
Okay, so we'll see it proliferate across more areas of the market, you're hoping, yeah?
I think so, with the versatility of the Infinicut machines and also the TM system cassettes that fit triples and like fairway mowers, there's no reason why our application can't be put across the machines and developers as we go. And we're getting a great response from customers, from inquiries. The show this week already on the first day has been fantastic. We're rushed off our feet with inquiries, so that's got to be a good sign.
Well, Vinny, thank you for your time. We'll let you get back to rushing after those inquiries. Take care.
No worries, thank you.